Hello, thanks for renting the Model X. You're gonna get app key access, so make sure you download the Tesla app. You're gonna click accept. Then, very important on the accept app, when you're next to the vehicle, you have to click set up phone key. Once you've set it up phone key, you're gonna unlock, or it should automatically unlock. You're gonna come in here, very important. You come in here, you set up your profile. So you'll set up your profile, it'll have your name, you click on that, you'll be able to set up everything all at once. Then if you need to adjust anything, you can adjust the mirror, steering. Few very important tips to get supercharging. You're gonna go navigate, go on charging. This is gonna be your fastest chargers, number 3. You're just gonna pull in, back in, click. It will charge to our credit card on file because we're the owners of the vehicle. Afterwards, very important, make sure the battery that you are, so the percentage is there. How to get from percentage, you're gonna go to display, you're gonna go on distance. That'll tell you the distance. Next thing, very important, full self-driving. There's a camera here, it's watching you at all times. If you have your phone, it will nag you, or it will supercharging, we already found. Second thing, full self-driving, very important. There's a camera here, it's watching you at all times. So put your phone here on the MagSafe. To turn on full self-driving, you're gonna go here on self-driving, make sure it's on, it should be on. When you have your seatbelt on, it will not work without a seatbelt. You're gonna click this button and you'll be able to activate full self-driving. You have to have a destination in order for full self-driving to work. It'll work on the street, it'll work anywhere, just make sure you have a destination. Now, if it says watch the wheel or turn the wheel, it means you're not paying attention. So pay attention, but if it turns you for the wheel, all you need to do is volume up, volume down. If you have the phone and you miss the navigation, it's gonna lock you out of full self-driving. So then you're gonna have to put it on park and then accept it. And then if you do 5 misuses, it'll lock you out for 1 week. So as you'll see here, there's been no misuse at all. It says there's no such events. So be careful with full self-driving. If you lock yourself out, there's really nothing we could do, or Tesla, or really nothing anyone can do. Let us know if you have any questions. A couple of things, we've also given you the key card. This is the key card. If you don't, for valet, again, to drive, you're just gonna put it here. If you don't use your phone and you use the key card, you have to lock it manually. So you have to lock it and unlock it manually. Again, without the phone. So, and it's closed when it does that. It's open when it does that. So this is the key card and it's gonna be right over here. We're also giving you a Bluetooth speaker to borrow. And then you would just return it. So you just turn it on, it'll automatically connect. So if kids wanna watch YouTube or anything, it'll connect to this speaker and adults can listen to their own music. For the 2 seats, there's a button right here. You would push the button and then you pull it. For here, the button is here. You push the button and this goes in.